Shuffle steps are super important for a whole bunch of steps that we continue learning. So for starters, we break this down. You want to, again, probably use the words to help you find that rhythm so you get that shuffle step. You can also count that out. You make 3 sounds with your shuffle steps, and you can count it and 1, 2, or you can count it a 1, 2. This tells us that the shuffle needs to be a little bit faster than that step. That takes up 1 count. You'll also find that this goes by other names as well. Again, for those of you who clog, you may find that this also goes by the term triple. The step tells us that that foot that is executing the move will traditionally take weight, so you can transfer your feet. Now this is important because this is the breakdown for when we go to learn our military time steps. We can take these faster and do rolling shuffles. You can even get these even faster to work on more nerve shuffle steps and things like that, like nerve shuffles. And this is also how you build speed for your Irishes, in which case you're adding a hop. So this step is pretty important for us tappers. I will see you tomorrow as we break down another super important move with our toe heels. I will see you then.